everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing the 2017 YouTube Rewind tag that was started by Samantha March, so I'll link her video down below. And Jerry's back there, so if you hear anything or see any movement, that's him. So there are 9 questions, so I'm going to have to be looking at my computer because I really don't know. And if you look at YouTube on your phone, you can't see specific dates. So number 1, what was the first video you posted in 2017? So I had to look, I don't remember. And the first video that I posted was my Pen That palette intro for the Kat Von D Ladybird palette. So that kind of fell through. I didn't really finish that, but I'm trying to work on it this year by just trying to use up a couple shadows at a time. Number 2, do you have a favorite video that you created in 2017? So I am honestly, I'll have to go back through and look because I don't remember. I'm sure once I see one, I will. I think my favorite video concept-wise was probably the recreating the first makeup tutorial I ever watched, and that was in December. So basically I had this, the first video I remember watching on YouTube was I was trying to recreate an old album cover, or not really old, but from when I was in high school, and I wore that look every day to school, so I just wanted to revisit that look and try it again with my skills that I have now and better quality makeup. And I really liked how it turned out, and I don't know, I just thought it was a cool idea. I wish more people kind of would know, or more people knew what their first tutorial was so they could recreate it, because I think that'd be really cool. And also the one that I made in December, I did some good videos in December I thought, was the truth about being vegan video, so if you're interested, go check that out. And then do you have a video that you made that, oh, I can't read what I wrote. Number 3, do you have a video that you made that was outside your comfort zone? I would say also, well, probably the random color challenge with the Kat Von D Saint Center, because I never did anything like that, and it was just a bunch of color all at once, and that kind of got me started into liking wearing a bunch of colorful eyeshadow. So yeah. And also probably the truth about being vegan one, because I was so scared that I was going to get so much hate on that, but I actually didn't, so thank you guys to watch that didn't leave a nasty comment. Number 4, what video did you post on your birthday? Wow, so I didn't post anywhere near my birthday because my birthday's in April and I moved basically across the country in March. So my last video was February 24th, and then my next video was June 4th. So one on February 24th was a channel update. I think I was just talking about how I was moving and probably wouldn't be posting. And then the next one in June 4th was it's called Significantly Downsized Makeup Collection. So I did a huge declutter and clear out before I moved, and then I just kind of unpacked and made sure that my collection was smaller and just stuff that I actually wanted to use instead of stuff that I felt guilty keeping. Number 5, did you find a new channel or creator in 2017 that you love? I really don't remember. I know I found Samantha March in 2017, so that was a plus. And then also people in that niche, like Liv Loves Her Makeup and Makeup Struggles, and I'd watched Angelica Nyquist for a while, but I think I found her in 2017. Yeah, there's a lot that I found in 2017. And I also found Philip DeFranco in 2017, and I rediscovered Shane Dawson, which him and Destry does videos on Shane's channel once a week. I used to watch them when I was in middle school, and I kind of stopped watching YouTube for a little while. Then I rediscovered him this year, and his content lately is just out of this world, absolutely amazing. My face hurt from smiling after watching his videos about his cameraman. you have to go watch it there. Oh, wow. And then I cried when he reconnected with his dad, and yeah, wow. Number 6, did you find any new brands you loved in 2017? So I really don't think so. I just kind of used the same ones. Like, I didn't really buy much in 2017, so no, not really. Number 7, what is a favorite YouTube memory from 2017? I'm really not sure. Probably, I want to say like hitting 100 subscribers. I think I hit 100 in 2017. And I just loved where YouTube was kind of going now, and then kind of toward the end of 2017, where the whole atmosphere in the beauty community has been changing, like kind of moving away from the bigger YouTubers and going more towards smaller ones who, you know, really deserve the, you know, the hype and the attention, because like the bigger YouTubers I feel like are getting lazy, or not really lazy because they're doing other stuff, but just they've kind of fallen away from YouTube. And yeah, so I think YouTube is definitely changing. Number 8, how many videos did you publish in 2017? That is a great question. I don't know. So the best I can count, 96 videos in 2017. And number 9, what made you proud, or what would you consider an accomplishment? So toward the end of 2017, I got really serious with posting videos 5 days a week. I was doing like 2 to 3 days a week, but then I switched to 5. Let me see when that was, if I can tell when I started doing 5. So I think around the end of October I started doing 5 videos a week from 3, I think. And I am just glad that I made the jump to do that, because I had so many ideas that I was just kind of scheduling myself like 6 months out doing all these videos, and I was like, I need to put out more because I have so many ideas for stuff I want to do. And so I think 5 videos a week was good. I toyed with the idea of doing 7, but that's a little bit much, and maybe in the future I'll be able to do 7. But for now, I think 5 is a good amount, and I wish that I could move it around to where I could do them like on the weekends, because I feel like a lot of YouTubers post on the weekdays. So yeah, I'm not sure about that, but most people watch videos like on their own time anyways. Like, they don't watch right when the video goes live, you know. So yeah, I'm just happy that I kind of got more serious with this. I know it stinks that now smaller creators are kind of not really suffering, but just kind of a small setback as far as, you know, making this a side income or a full-time income for some people, because the demonetization thing, and like smaller creators are not going to get monetized without 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So I am at 1,300 hours of watch time. So yeah, that might take me a little while, but hopefully just continuing to post videos, and that's my advice to anybody else too. Just continue to make videos. You know, the more videos you make, the more views you're going to get, obviously. So, but you want people to also stay too. You don't want to just crank out videos for the heck of it. You want to make sure that they're good quality and that people will stay to watch and will subscribe, so they'll watch more videos. So yeah, I mean, 2017 was kind of rocky for me personally, but on YouTube I think it was a good year, because I really kind of settled into my niche of where I want to be, and I have a few videos coming up that I'm pretty excited for 2018. So thank you so much to Samantha for starting this, and thank you for watching. If you're not already, please subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Let me know what kinds of videos you want to see coming up in 2018, the next couple months. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.